Well, hello there. Welcome back from spring break. It's time for us to get back to work. So, we have the exam. It has been moved to May 15th. So, we have an extra week. Awesome. But that still means that we need to review 180 works in the next 4 weeks, essentially 5 weeks. We just did the works like 150 to 180. So we're going to review, we're going to spend most of our time now going back to the beginning and moving forward. So every Friday from here on out, you're going to be responsible for flashcards or a Quizlet from these images. So this week we're starting by Friday at 11:58 p.m., 59 p.m., the end of the day Friday. You're responsible for turning in flashcards for images 1 through 37. That includes the identifying information, title, artist, date, culture, medium, and then the three most important features of it. You can put more, but try to keep it narrow, try to keep it focused, which you can actually like memorize and be responsible for. Today I'm going to be also posting a doodle poll to check your availability. I know that the school set out like a period where we could meet live, but it's early and y'all don't seem to love early. So I hear that and I want to adjust. So I'm going to set a time, hopefully in the afternoon, where we could live meet together in the following Tuesday. So the idea would be that today we're going to set a time for next Tuesday that we're going to meet together digitally, and I'll assign each of you one of the images from the flashcards that you did the week before, and you're going to come up with a comparison image for that, and you're going to tell me either two similarities and one difference, or two differences and one similarity of what is the significant point of bringing up these similarities and differences between these two works of art. The idea is that you're picking things that you think AP would pick for this exam. And you're going to share that with each other and hear that from each other, and it'll be also a review session for us. So that's how we're going to run the following weeks. So every Friday you'll have flashcards or Quizlets due, and then every Tuesday we'll be kind of reviewing the things that you turned in last Friday, and that will bring us up to the exam. So keep checking in with me. When there are updates, I will let you know. There will be updates. There are always updates. Subject to constant change. Little did we know how true that would be. I hope you had a good break. I hope you feel relaxed. We're going to do this. It's going to be great. Have a good day.